Hello, I am Rosa Kemirembe, facilitator and founder of Teaching for Success, an organization dedicated to transforming classrooms across Uganda and beyond. So what is professional development? In education, simply put, it's how teachers grow their skills throughout their careers. It supports best practices from lesson planning to engaging students to assessing real learning. But here's the truth. Not all workshops are equal. At Teaching for Success, we don't believe in one size fits all. First, we find out the needs of your students. Then, we tailor workshops online or in person based on those needs. We also go further. We do not just talk, we model evidence-based pedagogy. That means we co-plan lessons with your teachers, we co-teach alongside them, and we guide them in diagnostic, formative, and summative assessments so they can drive instruction that actually works. Our facilitators are experts in their fields. They also have working knowledge of helping teachers support and teach students with various disabilities because every child deserves success. To find out how we can support your school, visit our website at teachingforsuccess.ca. Email us at info.teachingforsuccess@gmail.com or call us on +1 905 441 7696.